Hey guys, welcome to the video. So I've decided I'm gonna clean my car today because I feel like it really needs it. It's been ages. So yeah, I'm gonna do it with you guys for something different. Could be so boring or it could be interesting. I feel like sometimes watching cleaning is just like satisfying to watch. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you do enjoy it. I know it's not that bad, but for me it is. Cute. Also have these ones. Excuse the state of in here. I need to organise it. Interior wipes from Deals. Both these are from Deals, but I like the smell of these a lot. These smell nice too, but I just got these and they're just a novelty to me now, if you get me. I also bought a new Hoover yesterday, which I'm so excited for. So I'm going to put this attachment on because it makes it like a handheld one, and then use these as well. I'll show you the Hoover now. I used this yesterday and it was full. Well, not like half full, so I just emptied it. I only actually got it yesterday and I used it for like my whole entire house, and Connor used it for his car, and now I'm going to use it for mine. This is it as like a handheld one. It does have like a longer thing that you can do the floors in the house, so it's pretty good. It has eco and turbo, and I think it lasts for 25 minutes on turbo when it's fully charged, and 45 on eco, which is pretty good. I mean, eco is pretty useless. I feel like I'm just going to use turbo all the time, which is basically just normal. But yeah, it's cute, and it was literally €68 in Lidl. Like, how could you literally say no? So I'm absolutely obsessed with cleaning at the moment. It's actually not normal, but what can I do?
When I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with me, yeah. Don't you
too lazy to go in and get a cloth to dry this, so I'm using a piece of tissue. It'll be fine. Nothing worse than like streaks when you don't dry stuff after you've wiped them, especially the radio is like the worst for it, I feel.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday. Fada, fada. My demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell, oh well. It's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time starts down.
This air freshener is empty, so I'm taking it out. I don't know if I have another one. I just discovered, oh my god, it's still I just discovered this. What the hell is that? What is that? I'm baffled. Oh my god, stop turning on! What the hell is that? Baffled.
A king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. Oh, wait. I'm tired of the pain. Go away.
Finished and it's just started raining. It's wet from all the wipes that I left sitting there, so that'll be fine. Just started lashing and the Hoover just ran out. I was there for ages. It's taken so long. What even time is it? Oh, that's 1 o'clock. I literally went out there an hour ago. I'm pretty sure. My mom's making banana bread. It smells so nice in here. There's nothing better. Hi, Bunya. Bunya, say hello. Yeah. My dad cleaned my car over the weekend. What a treat. Thrilled. Now the outside matches the inside cleanness.